Huh? Where am I? How did I even get here? Ah! Oh my god, what is that? Sometimes I think I just like the simple life. You know, relax a little and raise a family. Now, you know what we're not gonna do? We're not gonna panic. Ew, no one likes mustard. I guess I'll go home now.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday, May 20th. Today is a C day for the remainder of the school year. 7 days left. They're all going to be C days. Now, I know we have a weekend in there and we have a holiday in there. So I think really there are 4 or 5 C days left, but those are days in which you are going to catch up. I know some of you guys have been able to maintain your GPA. Some of you have really flourished during this time, but some of you have not. Some of you have struggled to keep your grades up, especially if you spent and invested a lot of time focusing on your AP exams or focusing on one class over another. But this is a great opportunity because no new material, no new content will be shared at this time. It is a great opportunity for you to get caught up with everything you need and get your grades back up to where they need to be for your keys money, for your GPA. So please, please, please do a good job. Communicate with your teachers, communicate with your counselors, make sure you go to the Canvas, make sure you're being ethical with your Chromebook, and get everything turned into your teachers. On that note, seniors, if you are done, we are doing Chromebook collections, textbook collections. Turn all that stuff in because you are going to have outstanding fines on your account. Please, please, please don't do that to yourselves. We want to upgrade your transcript. We want to get you your diploma in our diploma distribution plan. More information is coming to you from the counseling department. We've got a pretty good plan in place and want to make sure that we honor and respect you guys and really acknowledge your efforts, especially during this year and everything that we've been through together. But I regress. I want you to get your stuff turned in. Students that are still working, get your schoolwork turned in. Students that are done, get your Chromebooks turned in. Juniors, sophomores, and freshmen, don't turn in your Chromebooks yet. Hold on to your Chromebooks for now. We're just focused on collecting the senior Chromebooks because we got to get past the diploma distribution phase. The last day of the school year is May 27th. The district is closing Infinite Campus June 1st. We can't update gradebooks after June 1st. The last day to turn in all your work is May 27th. My teachers need a fair shot to grade everything and put it into the gradebook. So please meet us halfway and get your work done, get it turned in so that my teachers have a fair opportunity to grade everything. Now, I stop and think this morning, what would we be doing today, this week, last week, if we were on campus? What would we be doing? Well, we would probably be celebrating greatness. We would probably be attending rehearsals. We will probably be prepping for final exams. Seniors would definitely have senioritis. You would be wearing your badges, or you would hear Mr. Diaz, put your badge on, please, 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 put your badge on, please. We may be even singing karaoke. Some of you may be late to class. We may be going to softball games, lacrosse games, baseball games, track meets. If we were on campus, we would be doing a lot of you know normal teenage high school activities. The harsh reality is we're not. And we have to make sure that we take care of each other. And we have to make sure that we are supportive of each other. And we have to remember the good times and really appreciate what we have, because you don't know what you have until you lose it, right? It's one of those paradigms that you take it for granted until you don't have it anymore. I want to send a shout out to all the kids at Douglas that do things beyond the classroom and that are missing the opportunities to do those things. Um, I remember reserving the cafe for the Dragon Dance Club, and just how awesome of an experience and unique that is, and rare to have something of that nature. Our gaming club that eats pizzas on Wednesdays and got the chance to hang out with each other. So just if we were on campus, we would probably be loving, accepting, and just living a great Bronco Nation life. So I want you to carry that thought, and I want you to live a great Bronco Nation life. Hashtag FDHS Bronco Strong. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.